Hi guys, how to add a phone number in iMessage on iPhone or iPad. So what you're gonna do, open up the settings if you're using either iPhone or iPad. Scroll a little bit down to find apps. Search for iMessage or messages. Okay. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna find a section send and receive, 3 addresses. I already added 3 addresses here. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna you can receive iMessage to and reply from, okay, using the same Apple ID on both devices for continuity. And make sure your number is checked under you can receive iMessages to and reply from. Okay, you might need to add the number to your Apple ID account first under sign in and security if it's not listed. So go back to the main settings. Click your avatar icon at the top. Right? You're gonna find sign in and security. Go ahead and add the new phone number by confirming your face, via facial recognition. So you can add an email or phone number here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.